Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing the January 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. So it's the first Boxycharm of the year, which means I have high expectations. I've got my face ready to go because we're going to try on all of the products. I'm looking a little rough because it's actually Monday night right now. Like, I'm filming this video tonight, like the night that you're seeing it. So I'm going to be looking even more rough by the time the video is up. But you won't be seeing that version of me. If you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe. I do so much more than just Boxycharms. But that's what we're doing right now, and it looks like this month's theme is Boxy and Chill, which is super, super cute. And I've got the box right here, so let's just jump into it. I think the first thing I want to start with is eyes, and it looks like we have the Tarte High Performance Naturals palette. This is the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. This is $36, so we already outweigh the price of our box, which is $21 a month. So this already tops it. Let's open it up. I think the packaging is super cute. That is adorable. This is like something I should take on my cruise with me. It's just like, oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so it means it's literally all shimmery shades. So, oh, hello, focus. Maybe that's why it's called a highlighting eyeshadow palette, because it's all shimmer shades. They look really, really beautiful, but like, how are you supposed to get a whole look out of this? I guess I'm going to do a whole look with it though, because I like to do looks that you guys can get with just your Boxycharm. As a nice mirror in it, which I really like. And, I mean, the size of this palette is nice for traveling too, and it looks really cute if you want to just keep it in your purse, and you know what I mean, it just looks cute. So I do like that. There's one shade in the palette that looks a little bit matte. I mean, it might be a shimmer. It's called Tiki, and it looks a little bit matte to me. So I'm actually going to take the shade Tiki, which is just a nude, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to put this all over my lid as sort of a base. It really is, it definitely is matte. Okay, so there's one matte, but it's definitely not a suitable matte for every skin tone to use as a base. But I think it is a suitable matte for every skin tone to use, if that makes sense. Like, you can still use it, it's just may or may not be an appropriate base shade for you. So I just kind of stuck that all over my lid. I'm kind of scared because they're all shimmery. I'm going to take a blending brush, and I don't even know where to begin because they're all, not only are they all shimmery, but they're all really, really light shades. I mean, what does one do with this kind of palette? I'm going to take the shade Jewel, which is this kind of bronzy shade. I really want to use that as a highlighter on my face. Oh gosh, okay, it's pigmented. This is scary. I'm going to, like, I don't know. I'm going to start putting this in my outer corner. I mean, I normally would never put a shimmer in my outer corner, but I'm trying to figure out what I can do with this palette on its own. Now, I know it breaks the rules to put shimmers in the outer corner and in the crease and stuff like that, but one, it's makeup, we can do whatever the hell we want, and two, I actually think that super shimmery eye looks are really, really nice in the summer because it just gives you that all-over highlight effect. And I am going on a cruise soon, so for those of you who might have a warmer climate right now, or you might be going on vacation, I'd consider bringing this with you because you can just kind of drench yourself in highlight and shimmer, which I think is always appropriate when it's warm and sunny. So this is a really nice color. It does have a hint of a red undertone to it, which I don't think is very flattering on my skin tone, but it is a nice shimmery shimmer color. I don't know what else to do. I don't really want to use this as like a purpley brown. I mean, I'll take a little bit of that, I guess, and see if I can, I don't know, darken up the outer corner a little bit. This is, like, not something that I would normally go for. I mean, obviously, on the regular, you'd probably reach for this palette when you're looking for an inner corner highlight, a brow highlight, or a lid shade. But like I said, I like to try to give you guys something to work with from just the box, if possible. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Compass, on my finger. It's a really beautiful kind of golden shade, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner of the lid. It's really pretty. It's got good pigment to it, and a yellow undertone, which I love. These shades are really easy to use with your finger as well, which I think is good if you're on vacation or if you're on the go or if you're at the beach. Like, it's really easy to put on with your finger. And that looks like that's about all I can do. I mean, I might take a little brush and use some, I'll use the shade Escape, which is a little bit of a lighter more, I don't know, neutral highlight, and I'll use that as an inner corner highlight. I mean, the highlight shades are definitely nice, and they're super, super pigmented. It's just that you can't create a whole look with this palette, that's all. But they serve their purpose as shimmery shades well, which is pretty much all that matters. I mean, unless you really are like me and you're trying to get your use out of this box alone, but I know that most of you are not doing that. Most of you are okay with using this with another product. So as this stands by itself, it's definitely great quality. I love the packaging. I love the shape. It's super cute. I think this is a little bit wasteful. They could have put like product in here or something, but overall, like really nice shades, really pretty. They could have used a couple more dark shades in here though. You know what I mean? But so the next product I want to dip into, because we're still on the eyes, is an eyeliner. This is the Starlooks Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. It just says intensely pigmented formula, gives a beautiful color that lasts all day, and this is $19. So overall, we're at like $30, $40, like $50 when we only pay $21 per month for the box. So I like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is a retractable eye pencil, and it does look like a little bit of a gel formula. I guess I'll use this. I mean, it doesn't really go with this eye look because eye look is light and this is dark, but I'm going to use it on my waterline and just see how it goes. So far, it just seems average. I mean, it is a pencil. It doesn't claim to be gel, so I guess for a regular pencil, it's not bad. I like it. I actually have been liking wearing black waterline liner, but I really like using the Milk Makeup gel liner, but I like broke it, and this looks good. It's just not super dramatically black. Like sometimes I prefer that like blunt, super dramatic black look, but there's other times though where I do prefer something like this. It's a little bit more subtle. It's definitely pretty, and it does the job, but it's just a little bit diluted on the waterline. Okay, the last makeup product in the box is a lip color, and this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights, which I'm pretty sure is a Kathleen Lights collab, isn't it? I do have an Ofra discount code for you guys. It's Kelsey 20. It gets you 20% off. Or you know what? It's just Kelsey. It's just Kelsey. Whatever it is linked down below. These are $20, and I will say Ofra has my longtime favorite liquid lipstick formula. I know I haven't used them in forever. That's because they took me off their PR list, and that's not why I'm not showing them anymore. It's just that all of my products from them are so old. Like, I don't even think I have them anymore. And, you know, I didn't get any new products because they took me off PR. And then, I mean, I don't really spend a lot of money on makeup lately, to be honest with you, especially not lipsticks because I have so many. So that's nothing against it, but they do have, like, a long-time favorite liquid lipstick formula. So let's try the one with the new packaging and see if anything has changed. Immediately as I'm putting it on, I have a good first impression. It's very creamy and there's no streaking. Okay, so this is a beautiful color. It takes a little bit of building up to get it to the shade that's in the tube, and I still think it looks a teeny tiny bit lighter. But it's the good kind of buildable, not the streaky buildable. So once you put on that first layer, it's a little bit, I don't want to say sheer, but it's a little bit of a lighter wash of color, but it's not streaky. So you could wear it like that, or you could build it right up to this dark kind of maroon color. I actually really like this shade because it's really unique. I don't know what it is, but as I'm looking at it, it looks different from all the other dark kind of maroon colors. I think it's less red and it's more true maroon. This is a really nice color. Again, it's Havana Nights or Havana Lights. It's Havana Nights, and this is an absolutely stunning color, especially for the winter time. Wow, look at the bag under that eye. Whew. So that is definitely a good product that we got in here. And then we have the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray for your hair. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. We've gotten a lot of Briogeo stuff in our Boxycharms before. This retails for $12, and it is a leave-in conditioning spray, so I should start using this. I mean, my hair is pretty healthy, but it's gotten so thin. I think it's because I cut layers in my hair, and I probably shouldn't have done it myself, because now the bottom just seems so like thin and alone. So maybe if I start using some of those products, it'll help a little bit. So I'm really happy about that. And then last but not least, we have 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. They have really, really cute packaging. And these are nourishing your skin with vitamin E, fatty acids, oils, serum, and they are $24. I don't know if it means they're $24 each or if it's $24 for a pack of 2, but overall, the price of our box far outweighs the price that we paid for it. So for the first of the month, I'm definitely a little bit disappointed. I think they could have done better with a more versatile eyeshadow palette rather than all shimmers and all light shimmers at that. You know, and then the eyeliner wasn't the best quality. It's certainly not the worst. Like, it's totally doable, but I don't know. I'm not head over heels for this month's box. I think they could have done better, especially for the first of the year. But as always, I kind of appreciate my Boxycharms because I'm getting a fun box of makeup in the mail every month, and I always, you know, can use the stuff. I really, really do love this liquid lipstick. I'm probably going to wear this a lot because I actually, like, I'm obsessed with this shade. So I love it. Overall, the box is a little hit. I like the skincare stuff, I like the hair care stuff, but it's just not a completely overwhelming box, you know? So I'm excited to hear what you guys think, if you guys got different variations. I never know what variations there are because I don't look, because I don't want to know. So I like it when you guys tell me in the comments what other products you've gotten or other people are getting that I didn't get. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. I want more people to see my Boxycharm reviews and stuff like that. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think, and I will respond to you down below. I'm gonna edit this video and be tired. Bye. Bye, buddy, bye. Bye.